In this video, I'll be showing you the Sony ME-83 earphone. Now, this is the Japanese version, and this is the newer box from possibly the 1990s or the early 2000s. And these are still being sold today as newer models. I'll be showing those here, so if you can see them. Now, of course, these are the older boxes, however, these type of headphones and what they're used for are the same. These are intended for TV use, as you can see from the packaging and translation and the Japanese text here. That should probably say something. On the front, we have the headphones dangling, ME-83, and here's the TV. On the side, we have Sony and ME-83. Same thing on this side. And on the back, we have a illustration and more Japanese text. Made in Malaysia. So, let's open this up. Actually, this is supposed to be gone. Might have been. So, here's the headphones. When I can get this out, I'll be very careful because I need to keep this. There we go. And here's the earphone itself. And here's the connector end with the Sony logo on it. See if it focuses. Yeah, here's the Sony logo. And it is wrapped in classic Sony wires, steel wires. So that's a short video on the Sony ME-83 headphones.